Oh, yan yung lyrics sa likod niya,
Ano dong title?
stop naman tayo eh. 8 times ba? Last verse. Say you won't let go.
Ayan, may lyrics pa sa linya.
I'll let you in. You let me out. You made me feel out still. We danced, we tried to I had joy in my way. You were doing all.
But it was so good.
It's over. I was on the rose. I'll wake you up soon. Breakfast bed. I'll bring you coffee with them. It's not your kiss. And I'll take the kisses soon. Wave them goodbye. And I'll take my lucky star for that night. When you look over your shoulder for $1 million I wanna dance with you right now. You make me feel this somehow. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is full. Who comes so fast and I'm gonna love you till I love you now. I'm gonna love you now. Happy birthday, lad.
Ay, Adi.
You know,
Raining in Manila.
Rainy in Manila.
Sean Benedict is here. It's been raining in
Go, Rich.
It's been raining. May kulang sa inyo ang naiwan dito.
Yan ang sundo mo, Fel? Yan ang sundo mo.
Sabihin ko
Mami
lang
mo
sa
yan?
driver
Mami
ko.
mo? Ay, okay. Sige, ingat ka.
Sabihin ko lang. Pakanta lang kami.
Ha?
Kasi sila.
Oh. Iba wala hirap ng bituin. Sana yun ka na muli.
Cause it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Ang hirap ba mag-isang nanginginig? In Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Magaling ba ang mundo? Gusto di ka na wala. Tapos sana
Ganun ka na
ulit. But if it's raining in Manila, hindi ka ba narinig? Kaya ka mag-isa nanginginig. Raining in Manila, hindi ka mababalik.
Naulo na siya.
Kamu mau saya bisa namin. Request. Padayon lang sa Taylor Swift.
Ano?